boys and girls. This is Math Minutes with Mrs. McLean. And today we're going to be working on multiples of 10 using this interactive website from Cool Math for Kids, Base 10 Blocks. So this program has several features. It has a pen, an eraser, different 10 frames that you can use. But today I'm going to pick the pen and my color, and we are going to work on the problem 30 times 5 using multiples of 10. So, and we're going to be using base 10 blocks. Well, when I think of big numbers that I'm trying to multiply here, like 30 times 5, I want to think what I know about smaller factors. What do I know about 3 times 5? Go back to my pen. Well, I know that 3 times 5 is 30. Excuse me, it's not 30. It is 15. I'm thinking of the other factor up there. 3 times 5 is 15. And this is going to help me solve 30 times 5. So when I'm working with multiples of 10, it means that my problem is getting larger by multiplying 10. It's getting larger by 10. So what this is saying, 30 groups of 5, or I could say 5 groups of 30, because remember multiplication is the commutative property. So I want to start pulling down my base 10 blocks. And these base 10 blocks are cool because they actually connect. So let's see if I have, let's do it this way. For space purposes, we're going to look at this way. 5 groups of, well, I can't these connect. There we go. 10, 20, 30. So there's 30, and I'm going to have 5 groups of those. So 10, 20, 30. Let me get these lined up again. Okay. There's 10, 20, 30. And when I'm using these, I want to make sure that I'm not calling them a 1. I want to call them tens or groups of 10. So I don't want them getting confused with this little 1 right here. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Okay? All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 30. And we have 10, 20, 30. So 30 in each group, and I have 5 groups of those. Well, let's just count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 tens. We'll write this down here. I have 15, things harder to write with, tens. Okay. I notice there are 15 tens. I know that 3 times 5 is 10. So what are 15 tens? If I count 15 tens by tens, what will that come up to be? Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So I have 150. So 5 groups of 30, or 30 groups of 5, that is 150. And if I'm thinking place value, I'm going to draw a place value chart right here real quick for us to look at and make the connection. I've got my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. I knew that 3 times 5 was 15. And we just determined that 30 times 5 is 150. I want you to notice, what do you notice about this 5 in the ones place, this 5 in the tens place? It gets 10 times larger. This 5, if I multiply 5 times 10, gives me 50. What do you notice about this one group of 10 in the tens place and one group of 10 in the hundreds place? Sorry about that. What happens when we multiply 10 times 10? You get 100. So by multiplying by multiples of 10, our product gets 10 times larger. My 5 in the ones place got 10 times larger, became a 50. My 1 in the tens place got 10 times larger and became a 100. So when I'm thinking about multiples of 10, I want to think about these single factors. How can they help me solve? Okay, I hope using this Cool Math for Kids website is going to help you with using base tens to learn multiples of 10. Have a great day.